So a day in the life. It's March 26th, just before 5 p.m. I just woke up because I work nights. This is what I woke up to. We haven't had much snow this winter, so this is really great. But I work at DirecTV out in the woods in Castle Rock, and we're still under a blizzard warning until 6 o'clock in the morning. And yesterday they were saying possibly 2 feet. The TV's working just fine. Although there's all that snow in the dish. I probably should rake it off. That's what I used to do for my last job. Except for I raked off much bigger dishes. The snow's beautiful, and we really, really need it. I don't want to drive in it to work tonight. It's going to be messy. 13 inches over in Evergreen, and they've discontinued the blizzard warning for Denver. But Castle Rock, still the blizzard warning still is in effect. Till who knows when. There's like 6 inches on the banister. That's not much. But it's that little thick stuff, and it's gonna keep falling. I want a snow day. We don't really get snow days. Except for when we don't get much snow. Then if we get a good storm, everyone stays home. Everyone suddenly gets sick. But look at the kids down there. They're building a snowman and getting to sled down a hill. They haven't been able to do that very much this winter. And you can kind of see cars out on 85. They're going pretty slow. So I'm probably going to have to attempt that drive-in. I don't wanna. But this is a good thing. Maybe we won't catch on fire and burn up this summer. Let's watch the kids. On the news they were saying there was no commute home tonight. I-25 was empty. It's amazing. Alright, so there you go. A winter wonderland for spring.